let's see how to remove table while keeping the text within it in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. And right now, we have this table right here that looks like a sign-in sheet where you have to write your name, your time in, then sign on that, then the timeout, as well as another signature. Now let's say that we want to print this, therefore we want to make it a bit more cleaner. And what we can do is remove these borders surrounding the table. And to do that easily in Microsoft Word, simply click anywhere inside the table. Now click on Table Layout. And as you can see, you have this option right here to convert text. And from here, click on Tabs and click OK. And as you can see, all our table borders are now gone and we are left with the text only. I hope this helped and I will see you soon.